Manufacturing teams are facing difficult challenges. With volatile demand, supply chain issues, and staffing shortages, it's more important than ever that you leverage high-value solutions to meet production and cost targets while still delivering expected cost reductions. Today, when it comes to continuous improvement and performance management, identifying bottlenecks and their relative priority to one another is a highly manual and challenging process. Companies are often data-rich, but insights poor. Very few have unlocked this data necessary to analyze the most pressing performance issues and root causes required for transformational improvement. ThingWorx Digital Performance Management from PTC helps you identify, prioritize, and improve your most significant production issues. This is done by capturing your lost production hours and their causes, with the distinct advantage of indicating where you can focus for the most critical improvement impact. We base this all on the single metric of time, letting you compare and set priorities for improvement opportunities that are most efficient, so you are using the finite time you have to be most productive. You can then capture back those finite production hours lost in your current processes, increase your effective time up to 20% or more, and then validate those process improvements by tying them directly to the plant P&L. Let's see how this works. A manufacturing facility knows that they can make 1 unit per hour, and it made 44 units in the previous week. But the factory was in operation for 2 8-hour shifts Monday to Friday and 1 overtime shift on Saturday for a total of 88 hours. What happened? Well, there was 5 hours of planned downtime and breaks, and 11 changeover hours, and 2 hours lost to scrap materials. But that still leaves 26 missing hours. You have to know where those unaccounted hours went in order to know what to do next. If you could get a full accounting of all your lost hours in real time, at the operator level or aggregated to the unit, line, or higher level, and shown using that objectively scaled metric of hours, could you make better decisions faster about what your next continuous improvement target should be? For example, where did those lost 26 hours go? Well, there were also 12 hours of unplanned downtime, 10 hours speed loss, and 4 hours of minor stops. With this kind of detail, delivered systematically in real time and on a standard unit of lost time hours, your continuous improvement team will know both where to focus and the likely results on a unit, line, facility, or even for an entire production network. And they can stop being limited by manual data collection needed to identify inefficiencies in your processes. And you can put those hours to use in the way that works best for you. You could add production volume to support more substantial revenue, or deliver cost reductions that your company may need. And PTC's digital performance management gives you the tools to track the performance of the fix and the impact on the plant P&L for a genuine closed-loop approach to continuous improvement, so your team can prioritize, analyze, improve, validate, and focus on your continuous improvement progress. And with the 5 to 20% or more improvement you can expect, your team can put an engine in place that funds the next improvement or be used for other business priorities, like supporting additional sales with higher production or taking the next step on your digital journey to transformational business impact.